Hi guys, today we're making boiled pork. Both the ingredients and the cooking process are extremely simple. All you need is pork, salt, sugar, and garlic. You can also add cooking wine, bay leaves, or the green part of green onions if you want more flavor. Check the comment for the full recipe, not that you really need it because this one is just super simple. So instead of teaching you a complicated recipe today, I'm just gonna show you when we eat this and how we enjoy it. In Korea, people usually make kimchi in the winter, and that's when a lot of families say, well, since we made kimchi, we might as well boil some pork too. My sister got a huge batch of kimchi from her mother-in-law, so obviously we had no choice but to make suyuk. That's just Korean law at this point. These kimchi you're seeing right now are the ones you'll find in almost every Korean household. Cabbage, whole young radish, green onion, mustard leaf kimchi. It's like the big four of Korean refrigerators. Alright, with great excitement, let's prep the side toppings we'll eat together with the pork. We've got fresh garlic, green chilies, and pickled onions, basically the trio that makes every Korean meal feel complete. Now let's cut the kimchi into bite-sized pieces. We're leaving out the green onion kimchi. That one goes on the table just as it is, so you can wrap the meat with a long piece like a pro. This is the moment we've been waiting for. The pork is ready, so let's slice it. A couple of things to keep in mind. First, remove any cartilage you find. Unless you enjoy dental challenges, then do as you wish. Second, try to slice the meat as thinly as possible. Don't stress too much though. Even when you try your best, the pork never ends up as thin as you imagine. Just look at this table. I kind of want to jump into the video myself. Put some pork and veggies on a leaf, wrap it up, and it's unbeatable. This is what happiness tastes like. Did you enjoy the video? Feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments. We've also got plenty of fun shorts, so check out those please and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!